Hello guys, this is Computer Age and I have come up with this video because there are many YouTubers, struggling YouTubers who come to YouTube and even no feel a need to leave YouTube because they are not able to generate revenue from the YouTube and they get discouraged. Okay, there are many reasons why they are not why they have not been able to generate revenue on YouTube. And recently, as you may have seen or you may have come to know, YouTube have tightened their rules. Now you have to get 10,000 hour of view time and 1,000 subscribers so as to get eligible for generating revenue on YouTube. So, but if your content is original and you have got a particular audience to target, then there is no worry, you will get your audience and you will be able to generate revenue on YouTube. You could see this is my channel Computer Age, and I have started it 2 years ago, but I'm I am generating revenue on this channel, but that is very low because there are certain factors which impact the revenue generation on YouTube. So what are those factors? You could see my estimated revenue here is $205.22. Okay, but there are certain factors and I will explain those factors. The revenue generation broadly depends on a few factors, like the first factor is your location. Okay, if you are from South Asian countries, or say you are from an Asian country, and the algorithm of the YouTube is designed so that by default you are targeting audience become Asian countries. Okay, so this is a one factor. I will show it with an example here. Let's go to YouTube and search something, and I will show you what result is will YouTube show to me. Okay, like how to make a cake. All right, see, now I'm going to click search and see, these are all local content creators. Okay, Huma in the kitchen, this is a local content creator. Okay, Sharmila's kitchen, this is a local but maybe from India or Pakistan. And Aliza in the kitchen. Okay, these are all local content creators. It is because the algorithm of the YouTube is designed in such a way that you get to see these results. Now what I'm trying to say here is that if you are a content creator and say your content is being searched on YouTube, it will be first feed to local people, say from Asian countries. It will not be feed to people from Europe or American. Okay, and second, one more thing is there. If your video is being searched in countries like Europe, which is very hard, say it is searched in countries like Europe and America, then your video will generate a revenue at a faster rate, because advertisers spend so much of money in these countries, in countries like Europe and American and Australian countries, unlike in Asian countries. If your targeting audience is Europe or America, then your video will generate a revenue at a faster rate. Okay, now I will take you back to my channel, and there is this video how to fix Bluetooth issues in Windows 10. See the views of the 75,000, and see the estimated revenue is $120. I mean, more than 80% of my revenue comes from this video, single video only. And if you go down to third video, check out the views, 68,000, and see the estimated revenue is $21.69. Why is that? I will first go to this video and I will show you the audience. Okay, here you could see India is 56% and United States is 33%, which is very impactful because that is impacting the revenue generation of my channel. United States is 33%. Okay, let's go to my estimated revenue of the same video. Now check out here. United States $62.86, and check out India $9.90. I mean 75% of the views are from India, but check out the revenue, and just 25% of the views are from United States, and check out the revenue. Okay, because the targeted location, targeted audience is United States. All right, so this makes a huge difference. And the second point is target audience. Like I have been discussing here, if your targeted audience is Europe or America, you will generate more revenue, and that too at a very faster rate, because advertisers spend so much of money on advertisements in these countries. If your targeted audience is Asia, then you will generate revenue, but at a very slow rate, and that too very low. All right, so this was the second point. And the third point is content genuineness. If your content is genuine, if your content is legit and original, you will get an audience on YouTube. It may take time, a year or two, but make sure you will get an audience on YouTube, and you will be able to generate revenue on YouTube no matter what. All right, and if you put fake videos or something, you copy something from other channels and put it on your channel, YouTube will detect it, and you will not be able to generate a revenue on YouTube. Okay guys, so this was it. I hope you get how revenue generation on YouTube works. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.